All right, what's up, y'all? You know what time it is. It's your boy Keenan. Keenan just felt like cooking. And as I was sitting here chilling in my undershirt, I was like, man, you know what? I got 2 turkey titties that I seasoned up. Went on ahead and took the breast off this like 11-pound turkey I had and seasoned them bad boys up. And check this out. We got, boy, look at this. Okay, so here they go. 2 nice turkey breasts that I took off a 11-pound turkey and seasoned them with the Badia complete seasoning, some onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, chili powder, and some paprika. And on the other side, I went on ahead and lift the skin up. I pulled the skin back, right, and got underneath that meat. As you can see how dark it is right there because I pulled this back and seasoned the meat. That's a good idea. I'm not going to inject these because I am definitely checking some skill. So I want to throw these bad boys on some smoke and see how they come out. And definitely try not to dry them out. So you see we ready. You see she pairing right there. And we're going to go ahead and throw these bad boys. I got this running on some Kingsford Applewood. And a couple leftover veggies in my water pot back down there now. I'm going to throw that right now. Yeah. Let's get a look at that. So we got 2 turkey breasts, turkey titties that I'm about to smoke. And I didn't inject them. I'm gonna go ahead and cover this bad boy up and then check them in an hour, see where they at, and start basting them with a butter and honey mixture. All right, back in a minute. Okay, so we had about a good hour. I came out here about 15 minutes ago and flipped them. And this is my little glaze. So I'm gonna glaze these bad boys up. I'm actually about to wrap them. So I'm gonna glaze them. Actually, I'm about to pull them. Yeah. Not quite done yet. But that's looking good. So I'm gonna paint this bad boy with my little mixture here. This is just some unsalted butter, some honey, and a package of honey mustard from the leftover kernel. And we're gonna paint this up right here, just like that. So now I got a little foil, and we're gonna paint that up. Right. Yeah. And we're gonna go ahead and paint this up thusly. I'm just dabbing it on there. I mean, my rub's set, but you know, I don't want to rub none of it off. All right, so I'm gonna get this bad boy wrapped up, and I'm gonna do this for the other one. Then we're gonna be back with a sample. Yeah. All right, quick update here. My London broil video. I showed these in the background. I just finished them. Little pickle recipe I've been working on, and this consists of this cucumber, 3 of them to be exact. It's in a grocery store. I figured they look cool. Might as well try it. And cut up 3 of those on the diagonal. And then sliced up a 1/4 of an onion, 1 habanero cut in half, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 bay leaf, a tablespoon of black peppercorns, half a teaspoon of toasted sesame seeds, and some vinegar and some sugar. Equal parts vinegar and sugar. And this is what I came up with. So let's check them out. Okay. Okay. We got here. Oh yeah. You expect a little video on that. If you like sweet and spicy pickles, I got you covered. Your boy Keenan's Pickles. So I got these breastises, these turkey breasts rested. Pulled these bad boys at 155-ish. Let them rest. So they definitely coasted up a couple more degrees. And yeah. Man, that smells amazing. It smells so buttery. From the butter, honey mustard, and honey glaze that I put on there. So, as you can see, these bad boys, hold on, wait, let me get it. Yeah, these bad boys are done. You know, first time doing just the breast. You know, if it was the whole bird, I would have been injecting it and all that. So these are just the breasts, and I'm confident that I maintain moisture and flavor throughout. Simple seasoning. All right, let's get a little slice. Oh yeah. Okay, so I want to get in the middle. This is not edited or nothing. I think I maintain moisture. All right, let's put together a little something. Let's get a little bite here, and that is moist. I mean, my finger's going through it, as you can see, and I'm not pinching hard. Yeah. No, that's really good. That's really good. That's really good. You know what to go great with? These pickles. Some of that onion. Hey, that's on point. That is on point. That is on point. Nice little test run for you, boy. First time ever just doing just the breast. Now I know I can do it. So be on the lookout for more little creative videos once turkeys go back on sale. All right, appreciate everybody checking me out. Everybody be cool out there. Stay smart. Use your common sense. Respect each other's space.